Hello and welcome to Japanese Beautiful Sites. Every Sunday I will introduce a Japanese beautiful place in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script I'm reading from in this video description. Today I will talk to you about Kotohiragu Shrine. Kotohiragu Shrine, located in Kagawa Prefecture, is a famous shrine in Japan that enshrines the god of the sea and safe travels, known as Omononushi-no-Mikoto. It has been worshipped by sailors and fishermen for countries, and even today, many people visit to pray for safety in sea transportation. The shrine is also called Konpira-san, and it is a popular tourist destination. One of the main features of Kotohiragu Shrine is its long, strong staircase. To reach the main shrine, visitors must climb 785 steps, but along the way, they can enjoy historical buildings and beautiful scenery. For those who continue to inner shrine, there are a total of 1,368 steps. The climb is challenging, but the season of the achievement and stunning view from the top make it worthwhile. Recently, Kotohiragu Shrine has been recognized as a sustainable tourism destination. Local shops and facilities along the path walking is protect the environment by reducing plastic use and promoting products made from local materials. The bamboo walking sticks provided for visitors one of example of their eco-friendly efforts. Kotohiragu Shrine is also popular with foreign tourists. There are plenty of signs and guides in English and other languages, making it easy for international visitors to explore. In recent years, online tourists and digital guides have also been introduced, allowing even more people to experience the shrine's charms. By visiting Kotohiragu Shrine, you can enjoy both Japanese religious cultures and its natural beauty, along with the unique atmosphere of the local area. This special experience continues to attract many visitors from around the world. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.